All right, so I've just logged into Webhost and I'm going to name my project. So now when you're creating this, make sure that you don't have any spaces in there and make sure that you generate a password or write down the password that you're going to use and that it is long enough. Hit that submit button. So make sure that your ad blocker is off. So I'm going to create a website called SwoodSample. I'm going to not have a space in it just because that might cause some issues. I've put in what I want my password to be, and I am going to submit that. And you can see that purple bar going across the top of the browser. There, website has been created. So that's what you really want to see. And now you can go to this one that says upload your site because you've already created your site. We're not going to build it using their templates or anything like that. So upload your site, I'm going to say select. And it's going to take you to what they call the C panel. And the C panel is basically what is a control panel. Any host that you purchase, any kind of web hosting from is going to have what they call a C panel or a control panel. So we're not purchasing, we're using this free 000 web host as our host for our website to make it live. And so when you go in here, you'll notice that there's some folders already created for you, a public HTML folder and this temp folder. In order to make your website live, you need to be inside of your public HTML folder. So I'm going to browse over to here and go into that folder. This file that is already there, that .hta access, do not get rid of that, okay? You need to leave that there. And now I can upload the exact same structure that you have created your website from. And so I'm gonna start by uploading a file, which is this little cloud button over here on the right-hand side. So I'm gonna upload and I'm gonna select my files. So I have this folder already here. This is my sample website folder. I've got an index file there, which is my site. And then I have an images folder, which contains my images that I'm using for it. So here's my folder, sample website. I'm going to upload my file first, which is my index file. My images will have to be done separately. Now I need to duplicate that images folder. So first off, I'm going to create a new folder here. And it has to be exactly the same. So the same case, you'll notice that this images is all lowercase. So I'm going to have to make the same folder here with all lowercase called images. Create that. Go into that folder by clicking here on the left. And now I'm going to upload my images. So upload my files. I'll go back to that folder. I will go into my images. I will grab all of them that I need. Actually, I don't even use this one, so I don't need it. I can take those 3 that I need, and I'm going to drag them into here. There's the 3, say upload. And my website is now live. So if I go back over to my file manager and I go back over to where I can view my site, or if you're at your home page, you can also do it from your home page. And there is my website that is completely uploaded and live. You see it's at swoodsample.000webhostapp.com. So it's live online. And there's a few different ways to go there. When you go to the main 000 web host, you'll see it here and it'll tell you that it's running and you can just go to the link right there as well.